being a teenage mom, di ba? Napakalaki ng role mo dito sa sa'yo din.
For me po, about maturity, siguro isa si Roxy sa pinaka may malaking change. And feeling ko, hindi naman forced, pero masyadong napaaga yung pagiging mature niya. Kasi kailangan niyang mag-raise and kailangan niyang mag-guide ng isang human being. And I feel like, knowing Roxy na maagang nahulila, I know na she will do anything para maka-raise ng isang bata na may experience ng batang yung lahat ng niya na-experience noong times na wala silang magulang ng ate niya.
Sinlaki na nga niya, anak niya rin.
Actually, malapit na po ako mabuti ni Arjun. Maturity na lang talaga yung nag-work kay Roxy, hindi na yung height. Pero ayun po, feeling ko makikita natin yung struggle ni Roxy as a mother and also yung pagiging independent niya, yung pagpapakita kung gaano pa rin siya ka-strong. Pero deep inside, we know na nahihirapan din siya.
Ito ako excited din.
AJ.
Nag-mature ka ba dito?
Hello po, hi Kuya. Nag-mature si Archie for sure. Nakita niyo naman po sa abangan, nasa kulungan. No? So, wala kang choice kundi mag-mature. Nakaka-mature talaga yung nasa kulungan ka. But, I'm excited to see what Archie does when and if he gets out of there. But, dami na kasing nangyari kay Archie Aguero. Of course, namatay si Harry, yung dad nila. He was the only man of the house, whatever that means in a conventional Filipino household. So he had a lot of responsibilities. Kaya excited po ako malaman ninyo kung paano siya nag-end up sa kulungan with all those responsibilities in hand. Kaya wala rin po ako masyadong masabi pa about Archie, but thank you po sa question.
Thank you. And last, Andre and Juan Carlos.
Hi, po yung question.
How much maturity ang nangyari sa after 5 years?
Wala po masyado actually. Medyo lang. Pero for Gino, especially for Gino, as you saw naman ho with the first episode, that was first 2 episodes, right? Sobrang nagbago yung belief niya and yung values niya. Kasi nung sa senior high siya pa tong medyo bully na brooding na ewan na walang pake sa life, ganun. But then with High Street, parang all of a sudden, Gino has this sense of guilt with everything that his dad did, and then he wants to correct all of these mistakes that Gov did, and especially seeing Gino's mom, si Cecil, going through that whole thing.
Crazy eyes.
Even me as a person, I don't understand what's going on with Gino's mom. So, but that's the thing. Life mentioned that kanina, alam mo yun, we expect our children to take care of us when we're older, but the thing is, it's not just financially, because Gino, they're not really having that many issues when it comes to the financial side of things, but then Gino has that issue of his mom going through that whole psychological and mental and still being there for your family. And napakabigat nun para kay Gino. And alam mo yun, parang siya rin yung naging, yung tatay para sa pamilya niya, all of a sudden. So, yeah, in terms of maturity, I believe that Gino has really matured a lot, especially choosing that line of work, you know, being in law, so that he can help the victims of Papa Gov. And, ayun, I feel like yung values ni Gino, it's something that I feel like a lot of viewers should really look up to. Yeah.
Alright. Kay Sky, honestly, I think Sky's season 1 was mature na for her age eh. Mature na siya mag-isip para sa edad niya noon at 16, 17. Pero nagkulang lang siguro siya sa emotional maturity kasi ang lagi niya nauuna is yung sarili niya at nagiging impulsive siya masyado. So dito sa season 2, makikita natin na mas may consideration na siya sa time and feelings ng ibang tao. Hindi na niya lagi masyadong pinupush yung mga paniniwala niya or issues niya sa iba. At dito naman, sa pinagkaiba nila